This is a video of the Omina Hotel in Zermatt in Switzerland. So I'll take you in and show you my room. Yeah, I hope you like it. Okay, so this is it's called the double room at the Omina Hotel in Zermatt in Switzerland. And this is the bedroom. You can see that. Very minimal, very Swiss. Got a TV over here, playing some sort of music, classical. Over here you got a DVD player, it looks like there. Who uses DVDs anymore, people? Okay, and over here you got looks like free bourbon. It's half drank already. Lovely bottle of water there, Evian. And mini bar with drinks and all the rest of it in there. In here you got some snacks and things there for purchase. Okay, and nice big bed there, very low to the ground. Storage space there. Lined all the bags up nicely there, guys. Thank you. Got a little nook there, maybe for your phone. Storage, more storage space. Laundry, shoes, umbrella, more storage. In-room safe, more storage. Wardrobe with robes and slippers in there for everyone. More storage space up there. Okay, so that's the door we just come through just then. I'll take you out into the balcony and show you it there. Got a nice sitting couch there. This lovely window there. Open that up. Yeah. I'll take you out the balcony and show you. Firewood there. Chairs there, as you can see the snow. I've never been to the snow before. I mean in Switzerland anyway. Never been to Switzerland before. But yeah. And that's the hotel there. Balcony's up there. As you can see, the view of Switzerland and Zermatt down there. And now I'll take you inside and show you the bathroom. Now I'll take you through the bathroom, show you around. So, light switches there, towel rack, heated towel rack. You got the toilet there, because everyone loves to see the toilet in my videos, don't they? Lovely basin there, very minimal. Got the mirror there, you can see my beautiful face, hello. All decked out with ASOP products there. Tissues. Yeah, and as you come around here, you've got windows that open to the snow. .360 degree view there, and the bathtub. and shower integrated all in one. That's where we just were just then, as you can see. With so you can have a lovely view of the town when you're having a shower or going to the toilet. It's always a good thing, isn't it? So that is the Omnia Hotel at Zermatt. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.